No, not in this video.
Why?
No.
Why?
Kelly, no. We're not doing it in this video.
Why not?
Because that's ghetto and it's unprofessional.
We're not here to be professional. We're here to make a video. Alright, go ahead.
No, you're supposed to introduce this.
Hi, baby.
And you think you're going to do that the whole video?
What's up, family? It's Kelly and Kevin, and we're back to do a reaction video. Today, oh my goodness, we're reacting to Yikes by Bellinger, which is the Tory Lanez. So it's been like, not necessarily a feud, but Tory Lanez said it's going to be a favorite song in a song before. So Bellinger like, okay, if you feeling it and that's how you felt, that's cool, but that's my, that's mine. So he's like, okay. But he did it again. And so Bellinger, he addressed it on Instagram. This was a while back, and he tagged him like, let's find Tory, let's find him a, what is that, a motto, whatever. He like, let's find him one. So we're gonna listen to Yikes. Here we go. Tell you how we feel about it. So here we go. We're about to do this.
This is the evening. This is the evening.
This beat
Memories don't die, but I can't say the same for you. I've been on a positive vibe, but they say I the dirty. I'm forgetting dirty, boy, I came from the trench. Too pussy to say my name, but I heard the description. The shoe fit, so I put an outfit on and match it perfect. This shit was an easy call, ain't no need for hearses. Give them what they demand, bury you where you stand. What kind of nigga is proud to copy another man? First time you stole my shit, I never mind, it wasn't stressing. Second time you did it, okay, now this needs addressing. Like any artist with my craft, I work hard. I thought you would understand, but you was focused on the car. I don't know a person that can make it through the challenges I see on a daily, nigga. You don't know how bad it is. We live in a day and age where they don't know what talent is. Your only talent is mimicking anyone that's talented. Released a couple singles to your fans, you was red hot. Surely had to change your heart the day after your album dropped. Stole a vibe from Trey Song, took a flow from K-Dot. Kinda sound like Fetty Wap. Damn it, Tory, when will it stop? Easy call on the way. Easy call on the way. Just stay the fuck on my way. Get the fuck on my lane. Fast forward second album, you still on that same shit. Every other rap verse, sucking on that Drake dick. It's all bad for you,
that's
so
crazy.
pathetic. You even stole the song you dissed me on, that shit pathetic.
Stole
from all you.
That shit pathetic.
You don't put no fear in me, nigga. Next time you in the city of angels, keep that same energy, nigga. Don't backpedal from the smoke, cause I bring it, that's true shit. It's wartime, best believe we ain't on no true shit. Before your next move, think twice, cause that bum ass album you got could be your life, that's on Christ. There's plenty ways it could go. I put a couple grand on your head, have some of your old friends become new foes. For me, the goals pull up packing pieces and kill things. Drop you like a bad connection, you know it's the real thing. With stains on your shirt, screaming out it hurt. First you hear that yak yak, then after that skirt skirt. As I recall, I've been that nigga. When it come to disrespect, I don't accept that nigga. Your temperature, I'ma check that nigga. You Wesley Johnson, it's that hesitation before that hard step back, nigga. And that easy call on the way. Easy call on the way.
He killed his ass.
Just stay the fuck on my way. Get the fuck on my lane. Set that easy call.
He said you Wesley Johnson before that James Harden step back.
Just stay the fuck on my way. Get the fuck on my lane. Hold up, got some more shit to say. I could take the credit for a lot of niggas style.
I told you he was gonna talk about
credit for a
too.
lot of
But I got my pulse, so I'm good for a while. You gon' have to do more than just say it. If you want to endoscope your records when we play it. You split all your checks like 150 days. I'm just signed to myself like Jay-Z. Plaques on the wall, Grammy talk. Easy call on the way.
She messed it up.
He had just a little Drake touch at the end. He said, getting bodied by a singing nigga. That was my point.
Leave it.
What are your thoughts?
Tory got bodied. I like Tory Lanez though.
Yeah, me too. I was on Tory Lanez before anybody.
Don't
well, not
that.
anybody, but I've been listening to Tory Lanez.
He got his ass killed.
Before Say It, you know. So I like this music. But then he started coming for Drake, and then he did a song with Eric Bellinger. Like, I listen to Eric Bellinger faithfully. Like, I consider myself a supporter. So they did a song together. So I thought it wasn't no beef, and then Tory Lanez said it's gonna be a favorite song. That's why Eric Bellinger like, okay, let's just give him a warning, or you know, let's just let this one slide. But he did it again, and I'm like, how can you bite the hand that fed you? Well, I won't say that, but
how you gonna bite the hand of an important figure in the industry?
oh yeah, he's very important. Like, y'all might not know him, but everybody in the industry, they basically know who Eric Bellinger is. They have hits from him.
Mm-hmm.
So he's known. He don't have to worry about. He don't even have to make his own music, but his music is amazing. But Tory Lanez, like, you overstepped, bro.
Yeah, you got your ass killed. We still fuck with you, but you got bodied down. By a singing nigga.
He wasn't even rapping. Like, he was really singing in this song. And when I seen the song, he said funeral link and bio. I'm like, I don't know what that means. But I listened to the song, and
it was a funeral.
It was a burial for Tory Lanez. He did them bogus. Like, he didn't hold back. And I'm like,
I would have did him worse than that.
spit some bars.
No.
But yeah, like, that's the history. That's the facts. Like I said, I like Tory Lanez, but I'm rocking with Eric B. Like,
I ain't rocking with either one. I'm just saying, nigga boss.
That's just how it is with me, because I do mess with Eric Bellinger's music like that. So that's that. Not much else to say. Everything's been said. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you next time.
Don't forget to
subscribe, comment down below, subscribe, like, comment down below, and share this video with everybody that you know.